Hello everyone. So today we are uh, going to start a new chapter called How JS works, and about we will learn about how execution context work. So suppose this is example. I will tell you this overall. I created a variable, then before that I did console.log, and there is a one function. So there is a one important thing in JavaScript. JavaScript is a single single threaded single threaded synchronous language. So we can say JavaScript is a synchronous single threaded language. Okay, I will interrupt this and again teach you. JavaScript is a synchronous asynchronous single threaded language. So what does that mean? Synchronous means I don't know synchronous or anything. Okay, synchronous single threaded language, that means the JavaScript can do one task at a time. Means it can't go or can't do multiple tasks at a time. There is a suppose compared to the JavaScript and Java. So JavaScript is a single threaded language, but Java is a multi-threaded language. That means the Java can do multiple tasks at a time. So we are discussing about the JavaScript, so we have to focus on it. So what is execution context, and what is the main role of this execution context in JavaScript? So this is the example. There is a one variable. I console it and I create a function that is console.log this variable. So what happen? First, JavaScript will go here at the first line, and when it goes to the first line, it one execution context will be created. The every execution context have two blocks. One is a memory block, and another is a code implementation box. Like in a right side, suppose there is a left and right. So left section is only for store the memories, store the things in memories, like variables, functions, maybe objects, array. You can say whatever we have to store in the memory. This will be in the left side, and the right side is the code execution. So what does it mean? So every execution will happen. This happen in the right side, means in code execution side. So what happened, I will tell you. First, JavaScript read this a is equal to 10. A is a memory, means a variable is allocating 10 value, so we need to create a memory for that. So it go here, a is equal to 10. Then this is the console.log, means this is the operation. So console.log is not part of JavaScript, so it is a part of browser. So what browser API, and to communicate with the JavaScript and browser, there is a concept called web APIs. I will explain you about it later, but for now just consider there is something called API that is helping us to get the few more extra functions from the browser. So the console.log is not a part of JavaScript. So the JavaScript will go to the browser, because browser has a V8 engine. V8 engine has a lot of features. So JavaScript will go here at V8, and he will say to V8 engine, hey browser, I want the console.log API. So give me the functionality in my JavaScript, in my application. So we will get this functionality using the web APIs, and this code will execute, means console.log will execute, and it will return or it will print. again there is a function. So what happen in a memory block, every function have their own memory. So I printed and there is a function. So again inside this, okay, let's show you. Inside this memory block again one mini execution context will created. This will be again left side is the memory block and right side is the code execution block. So there is no variable in function, so no nothing memory will allocate, just implementation. So code execution is there for a console.log and it is a. So code execution will happen, a is equal to a console.log a. So a it will get from the outer context, outer memory, and print it out here. So this kind of thing will happen. This execution context work in a JavaScript. Every function execute, they create their new execution context. So this is about how JavaScript work internally, and what about the execution context. So first we heard some new topics called V8. Also we learned web APIs. Okay, web APIs. Also we learn about browser. So I will tell you one by one. V8 is a JavaScript engine. I don't know, it 1990 77 or whatever the year this V8 engine created for executing the JavaScript code. So I will tell you the little bit history of the JavaScript, how JavaScript came in picture, and how it they need a V8 engine. Just I remember few things, so I will tell you. So before this is the hey, don't, this I'm making video, don't come here again, sorry. So before that there was a browser, and hey, this is a good I'm doing this.
Yeah.
I will show you later, but this is like I'm feeling good, and if I watch the video again, I will be I will recognize my mistakes and the way whatever I'm teaching.
Do not focus on goal. Just do it.
Or your sentence is incomplete. Your sentence is do not focus on goal, follow the system. Correct. Okay. So for a browser, the V8 engine is your browser. Inside a browser, what it do? It will take your code, take your HTML file, CSS file, and execute it and render it on in the form of web page. So this because of to render things systematically, or we can say this V8 engine comes in the picture. And what is the web API? Web API is just a API that is for communicating through the browser, and the browser is the browser. So that is about the JS and how it the context works.